we can start messing with them. We can do things to those channels and then put them back together. For example, I can take that, let's just rotate the red image red equals image red rotate, and we'll rotate that 15 degrees. And then when I want to merge those back, okay, the merge argument, the merge function or method from the image object requires two arguments: what color model you're going to use, so RGB, and then you're going to give it red, green, and blue, again, as a tuple. So there's two arguments there. One of them is a tuple. So if I want to merge those back together, RGB, and then I'm going to create a tuple that has image red, image green, and image blue. And then the other parentheses. And then we're just going to say image dot show. Okay, so let's run that. Okay, so what I did, and you can see this is the edge of the picture where it's pulled over a little bit. I just took that red and I rotated it. Just the red channel to produce that effect. If I want to, though, I don't even have to rotate. What if I just put these back in a different order? Let's say I want to switch green and red. So I put the green channel into the red and the red channel into the green. And now when I run that, I have a green strawberry because I took the red and I put it back in the green. So I've swapped with red leaves. Won't do much if I mess with the blue channel here, but you get the idea. And that's a creepy looking image, right? So when we put those back together, we can do things. Each one of these, when we split it off, is its own image object. It's not a color image, it's a grayscale image, but we can mess with those and do all kinds of things.